Hi, I'm Dave, recruiting manager here at Lifetime Quality Roofing, the fastest growing roofing company in the whole country. Let me ask you something. Did any of these situations seem familiar to you?
We finally decided to get our fourth cat this year.
Are they not paying you enough to hear about Brandy's cats? We've got something better for you. Maybe you never got the chance to put your expensive degree to work.
Morning, Stan.
Mike? Maybe it's time to change your career. Maybe you're living in a storage closet because your Twitch stream didn't work out. I've got something better for you. Lifetime Quality Roofing is an award-winning sales organization. Our reps average about $127,000 annually. It's a lot of money. Don't believe me? Ask that guy. Not convinced? Talk to his buddy. Still don't believe me? It's all right. We got more friends. We're moving mountains. So if you're interested in changing your career, give me a call. And I mean, give me a call. The number's below. It rings right here. You don't have any experience? Not the end of the world. Andy's gonna train the hell out of you.
David, get out of here. We're trading.
The roofing and restoration business is a $50 billion a year industry. We happen to be the fastest growing roofing company in the country. So if you're serious about a career in sales, Lifetime Quality Roofing will be the vehicle for your success.